have a metal flower box. Okay, so pretty big, as you can see. It's black. It's got some pretty good weight to it. I'll show you the inside. You have 2 weeping holes in there. And you basically just simply put it together with the Allen key that they supply. And if I pull you in there, you can see basically the screws right there. Very simple to put together. Just a little tedious because you have like 1, 2, 3, 4, I don't know, like 12 or something like that screws to put in, but they give you the Allen key to put it together. So very, very nice, very modern looking. The coat looks really good. You know, the paint. It is painted on the inside and painted on the outside, so it shouldn't rust. Yeah, it just looks all around really nice. This is the bottom. Like I said, it's got the 2 weeping holes to allow extra moisture out. But yeah, I mean, really nice. They call it a privacy screen, but basically this is a flower box. I'm gonna be using it for herbs and things like that. But you can plant whatever you wanted in here. Maybe you don't want to plant stuff in here. You probably use it for maybe some kind of storage or something like that if you wanted to put something away on your like your deck or outdoor area. So yeah, pretty cool. This is it. Pretty big too.